Chacha, lady, look at me. We do this 2, 3, 4, and 1. Then we do the other side. We do this 2. Gentlemen 换脚 4 and 1. On the same foot, we will do this Cuban break. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 所以我们要加个手的话 add our hand action just to be consistent. So when we first separate, on the outside we do this 2, 3, 4 and 1. We kind of look at each other, then we separate, we do this 2, 3, 4, 1. When we do this first 2 Cuban break, we can put our hands straight out. We do this 2, almost reaching forward, 4 and 1. When you do this syncopate, you can do a little almost running action. Have your arm like relaxed, 2 and 3. We put it back again, then we do this 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That actually helps you with this action.